Okay, today I'm going to go through this question, which is very tricky for some because you need to read the question properly. Okay, you see? William join four identical square frames as shown below. Okay? All the 13 sides of the square frames were tied with balloons. He tied the same number of big balloons on each side of the square frame. Between every two big balloons, he tied 5 small balloons. Okay, so the information that we get now is every two big balloon, right? Big balloon, you have a 5 small one. So this one set. Okay, if William had 30 big balloons, what was the greatest number of big balloons he could tie on each side of the square frame? This is the question. Okay, so what we actually know now is that I have big balloons at the side, big balloons at the side, and then in the middle there's 5 small balloons, right? At the middle here, 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 and here. And all between the big balloons, I have 5 small balloons. So let me use the yellow color to draw the big balloons first, okay? How many in total big balloons do we have from the figure here? When I count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have actually 10 big balloons. And the question asks if William had 30 big balloons, what is the greatest number of balloons that he could tie on each side? So what we already know that we already have 10. So if 30 minus 10 will actually give you what? 20, right? And how many sides we have? We have 13 sides. What is wrong? We have 13 sides. Correct? We have 13 sides. So 20 divided 13. I have 1 with a remainder of 7. So 20 divided 13, right? So this remainder is 7. That means I can tie 1 more big balloons at the each sides. Okay. Let me see. Maybe any other color. This one. Okay. Oops. What is wrong? Let me erase off this. So at first I have 10, right? So if I have 30, I have to tie 1 more big balloon at each side, 10. Then here is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That means in total, I actually used 21, right? Oh, 21, sorry, 22, 23. I forget the color this side. So I used 23. So 30 minus 23 we're left with 7. That means the remaining 7. But the answer for this question is what is the greatest number? The greatest number that he can tie at one side is 3 of them. Okay, 3 is the greatest number that he can, greatest number of big balloons that he can tie. Okay, this is part B, right? So now the question asked is how many big balloons and small balloons would he need altogether if he had tied 10 big balloons at each side of the square film. Okay, what is the meaning? So I have this, I draw this 4 cube here. Okay, which means that one side of this is 10 big balloons. So here to here is 10 big balloons. Here to here also, all the sides. So he needs how many big balloons and how many small balloons? Okay, that's it. So let me see. I have to first identify what will be the overlapping in terms of the balloon shape. Remember, one of the balloon here will be shared with this side and shared with this side. Likewise, one of the balloon here will be shared with this side and then also shared with this side. Okay? And then one of the balloons here will be shared with this side and this side. So one of the balloons here will be shared with this side and this side. So what am I going to do now is, let me just draw. Here, let's say it's 1, 1. Okay. Okay. Let me see if this makes sense now. Okay. Okay, maybe because this is duplicate sides. Let's see. So here is 1 and here is 1. Here is 8. So here makes 10, right? So 1, 8, 1. This side also makes 10. Okay. So here, what about this side? Then over here will be 8. 8, 1. So here over here makes 10. It will be 8, 1. Okay, can you see how it goes? Drop over this side. Let me explain. Because over here to here is already 10 balloon, correct? And then this balloon here is supposed to be for this side here. So this side, this is already covered. So that means here has 1 already. Here will be 8 and then here will be 1. This balloon here will be shared between these 9. This 9 here between the 2 box, okay? So here is 1. And then over here it will be 8. And then over here will be 1. So it continues So will be 8. Okay. Okay, so let's now first see how many big balloons will there be for each side. This 9 here, I have 10 big balloons. 10 big balloons. What about this side here? I have 9 big balloons because I cannot count this big balloon. This big balloon is already count under this side. So over here to here I have 9 big balloons. Here to here I have 9 big balloons also. Here to here will be 9. So I will just label all the 9 big balloons. Here is a 9 big balloon. Next. What about this side here? So this side here will be, okay, what about this side here? Here is 10 big balloons, right? But remember, I already count this one here, so I can only count from here to here. From here to here. This one already count inside these 10 big balloons. So I don't want to double count it. So over here is likewise also 9 big balloons. This side here also the same. Here supposed to be 10 big balloons, right? But over here, I already count into these 9 big balloons. So all I need is to count from here to here. Okay, 9 big balloons. Okay, left with the side here. Total is 10 big balloons, right? One side. But this side, I have already counted in this 9 big balloon. And this side, I already counted here. So I can only count 8 big balloons here. Use another color. Over here to here is 8 big balloons. So likewise, here is what? 8 big balloons. Okay, so this is what I have now for now, right? So it's asking you how many big balloons will I have, and also the small balloon. Let first calculate the big balloons, okay? So in total I will have 10 big balloons. Add 9 big balloons times how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so will be 8, bracket it, plus 8 big balloons times how many of them? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4. Okay, let's see what will be the answer that I will get, okay? So I have here 98 times 8. Oh, sorry, 9 big balloons. 9 times 8. Here is 10. 72 big balloons. 8 times 4 will be 32 big balloons. In total, I will have 114 big balloons. Okay, this is only the big balloons. But then we still need to calculate the small balloon. This is where the tricky parts comes in. Okay? How to calculate the small balloons? I know that one side, right? If between two big balloons, I use small balloons as star. Let me label small balloons as star. In between small balloon as star. One star is actually 5 small balloons. Okay? So every 10, because I have 10 I have 10 circle, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So in between, I will have how many stars? 1, 2, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? I will have 9, 9 stars. Here is, wait, see. 9 times 5 will give you 45. So over here will be, over this side here will be any other color. Okay. This is plus, sorry. Small balloons, 45 small balloons. Okay? Here's 45 small balloons. Then we come back here. So I know that here is 10, right? Then here will be what? Here I will have 8. 8 or what? Let me see. I have 9 big balloons, right? So in here, I will have 9 big balloons. 1, 2. Okay. So you know that in between, right? 2 big balloon, I have 1 star. That means 5 small balloons. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's also 9. So over here will be plus 45 small balloons. Am I right? What about this side? What about this side? So here is 1. So here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's 1, right? 2, 3, 4. Wait, here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then here is 10. So in the middle here, I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The same is 9 times, here is also 45, plus 45 small balloons. Okay, so we have this few side, we still left with this side here. This side here will be this side here. So here will be, here's one balloon, big balloon, right? Here's another one big balloon. So I have 8, 1. So how many small balloons will I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's also 45 for here. So you can see that every side, right, I will have 45. Every side, even if here is 10 big balloons, but then every side I will have 45 small balloons. You see this side here is represent this side here. Wait, what happened? This side here. This side has 8 big balloons, but then there's 45 small balloons. This side here have 9 big balloons, but then I also have 45, and here is 45, 45. So I know that in total I have 13 sides, right? Because I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct or not? Am I right? So now I know that I have 13 sides. Every side I will have actually, I have 13 sides. So one side will give me 45 small balloons. So 13 sides, right, will give me 13 times 45 will be actually 585 small balloon. So the total number of big balloons plus small balloons will be 114 big balloons plus 585 small balloons will give me 699. This is the total number of balloons. Okay?